The most dangerous jailer in your life is not the state, not your boss or public opinion. The cruelest jailer resides inside your head. It is your own weaknesses, your fleeting desires, and your eternal fear of missing out. The ancient Stoics understood external freedom is worthless if you remain a slave inside. Today, we'll explore 5 advanced laws of Stoicism that will forever free your mind from internal shackles and restore control of your destiny. Law 1, imagine the worst. Most motivational speakers will tell you, think positive. The Stoics will say, prepare for disaster. Seneca advised mentally reliving your worst-case scenarios every morning. Losing money, betrayal, project failure, illness. This isn't pessimism, it's a vaccine against shock. When you accept and live out the worst outcome in advance, fear loses its power. You no longer fear the unknown, you're prepared for it. You become mentally invulnerable even before the storm hits. Law 2, practice poverty in luxury. We've become too accustomed to comfort. Hot water, a soft bed, food at the click of a button. But comfort makes us fragile. We begin to tremble at the mere thought of losing it. Marcus Aurelius and Seneca, the richest men of their time, regularly set aside days when they ate the simplest food, slept on a hard floor, and wore rough clothing. Why? To ask themselves, is this what I was afraid of? By regularly challenging yourself and giving up comforts, you understand your strength doesn't come from things. Your strength comes from you. Law 3. Measure your problems by the scale of the universe. When someone insults you or a project goes south, it seems like a tragedy of planetary proportions. Your ego inflates the problem. At such moments, the Stoics use the technique of looking from above. Mentally rise above your home, city, country. Look at the earth from the depths of space. It is but a pale dot flying through the infinite void. Your current grievance or failure is a microscopic flash that will fade in a second. Don't let fleeting trifles poison your eternity. Law 4. Turn obstacles into fuel. The average person gets angry when plans fall apart. The Stoic smiles. Why? Because every obstacle is a new opportunity to demonstrate character. Marcus Aurelius left us with the best metaphor. An obstacle to action advances action. What stood in the way becomes the way. If you've been cheated on, it's a chance to learn independence. If you've been betrayed in business, it's a lesson in ruthless strategy. View any difficulties not as a wall, but as firewood. Throw them into the fire of your will, and let your flame burn even brighter. Law 5. Remember the end. Memento Mori. Remember that you are mortal. This is not a depressing thought, it is the greatest liberator of the mind. In the face of death, everything false disappears. Other people's expectations, foolish grievances, pride, and the fear of appearing ridiculous. You have no time for empty arguments, procrastination, and self-pity. Your clock is ticking right now. Every action you take, every decision you make could be your last. Live so that you won't be ashamed before eternity. Freedom doesn't come from outside, it's forged within. You've learned the 5 laws, now it's your turn to put them into practice. Be a Stoic. The universe is watching you. Subscribe to StoicPulse if you're ready to become truly free.